Imagine walking into a store where you're not just shopping, you're designing your dream home. Affordable, stylish furniture, clever designs, and solutions for every corner of your house. That's IKEA. But have you ever wondered how a company from a tiny Swedish village became the global leader in home furnishing? 1943. In the small Swedish town of Älmhult, a 17-year-old boy named Ingvar Kamprad started a company. But it wasn't a furniture store. IKEA began as a mail-order business selling small items like pens and picture frames. Furniture wasn't even part of the picture yet. And then came the turning point. In 1956, IKEA revolutionized the industry with flat-pack furniture, a simple yet groundbreaking idea. By shipping unassembled products, they dramatically reduced costs, making stylish, functional furniture affordable for the average person. This wasn't just a business move, it was a cultural shift. Think about your own home, the bookshelf you built yourself, the cozy rug that ties the room together, the kitchen gadgets that simplify your life. Chances are, at least one of these came from IKEA. It's not just furniture, it's a piece of your everyday life, making your space more personal, more functional, and more you. Missed the IKEA revolution? You missed more than a shopping experience. You missed being part of a movement. A movement that made design democratic, bringing sleek, Scandinavian aesthetics to homes across the globe. And if you've never wandered through their maze-like showrooms, sat on their couches, or built a Billy bookcase, you're missing out on more than just furniture. You're missing a slice of modern living. So how did IKEA go from a mail-order company in rural Sweden to a global icon found in over 50 countries? It all started with a simple idea. Create affordable, quality products that solve real problems. Every design begins with functionality, whether it's a space-saving wardrobe or a dining table that fits a family of 6. But IKEA didn't stop at products. They created an experience. The store layout? It's no accident. The winding paths are designed to inspire you with fully furnished rooms that make you dream of possibilities. And when you're done, there's a cafe with Swedish meatballs to complete the journey. And then there's the flat pack innovation. By letting you assemble the furniture yourself, IKEA doesn't just save on shipping costs, they make you part of the process. It's not just a purchase. It's a project, a story you get to tell. But IKEA isn't just about affordability and style. They've set a gold standard in sustainability. From using renewable materials to committing to a circular economy, they're leading the charge in environmentally conscious design. And their social initiatives, like supporting local communities and providing affordable housing solutions, show they're a brand that cares about more than profits. They care about people. So, what's the takeaway? IKEA's story is proof that you don't need to be big to dream big. With vision, innovation, and a deep understanding of people's needs, you can create a global phenomenon. Ready to redesign your life? Visit your local IKEA or explore their catalog. Discover the products that aren't just furniture. They're solutions, inspirations, and pieces of a better future. Start your IKEA journey today and see how a little Swedish ingenuity can transform your home and your life.